Southwest Africa, and Belgium colonized the Congo, and Spain colonized much of the Caribbean and much of South America, as I told you. And 18th century, later in 1700s, Holland went to Indonesia. Did you know there's Holland took over Indonesia? There was a whole area there, the Dutch East Indies, Holland owned that area. In the final 15 years of the 19th century, from about 1885 on, Germany was busy setting up colonies in sub-Saharan Africa. And here is a question you have all been waiting for. It's really an enormous question, I think, Marius. And it's a very serious question. It's a question that is very uncomfortable, and for the reason of its apparent discomfort, very seldom you get this treated in the clinical science departments of today's university. They're also really terrified, and that's because they assume an answer which happens to be wrong. Here's the question.
Hi guys.
I told you about having 15-20 in a very short space of time.
Let's play some music.
싶은 생각에 들어간 우리 창에 나는 말을 거는데 보내지는 않을래 내린 한마디보다 조용함이 더 좋아
Hey guys.
기다리고 있지만 나는 이런 건 아냐 난 재미없어
Hi everyone. Jojo Mama. Hello Iman. Okay, today I'm going to the beach. Okay, so for the beach skincare, right? I mean, when I go to the beach, right, it's a different thing. Alright, so I actually use a very light eye cream. Okay, so this will actually help me to make the eye makeup much more long lasting. Never use too rich eye cream in the day, guys. So I use very light eye cream in the day. Thank you, Iman. Okay, then after that, right, I'm going to use a serum. So today, I'm going to use this vitamin C serum here. Okay, when you go to the beach, right, you need to use vitamin C serum, okay? Okay, then after that, right, I'm going to use my moisturizer. I'm going to use this moisturizer. No, actually I should use this moisturizer. Yeah, I should use this moisturizer. This is very light moisturizer. So when you go to the beach, right, you have to use as light moisturizer as possible. And I use vitamin C moisturizer. It's very important, so that it helps to brighten up your skin when you're there. Alright, next, right, I'm going to put my sunscreen. Oh, where's my... Oh, okay. I'm going to put my sunscreen, very important. I'm going to use my day cream. This one has...
Don't have too much main character vibes.
Hi everyone, y'all can say hi to me, y'all can ask me questions.
Can I do it in the fastest possible time?
Oh my god, this one no battery.
People are connected with it, so you may need to answer it. Listen to the latest episodes of Open for Business on Phoenix Day on YouTube and Spotify. Don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, after that I'm going to use my sunscreen. This is my favorite sunscreen. This is my day cream. This one has peptide hyaluronic acid inside and plant stem cells. So it helps to rejuvenate your skin, right, and to give you that firming effect. So if you want this, if you're above 40 and beyond, it's suitable for you, this one. Okay. This one has sunscreen inside. SPF 35. So if you're above 40 like me, I'm already 47. So this will be suitable for you. It helps to rejuvenate your skin and firm up your face. Okay, remember to put sunscreen on your hand as well. Okay, good. So today, right, I'm going to achieve that glowy skin makeup. So I'm going to show you what I'm using, okay? So first thing first, I'm going to use a makeup, right? I'm going to use my highlighter first. Probably no one has taught you this, but I'm going to use my primer first. Okay, I'm going to use my primer. This one has to give you that sun-kissed glow. So when you want to use this glow, this one is now 2 for 63 for this one, the honey glow. Okay, this one will give you that sun-kissed glow, or the watery glow that you want from the, you know, from the Korean kind of watery glow. Yeah, so if you're interested in my sun-kissed glow, it's 63 for 2 bottles right now. Okay, one bottle is 49, 63 for 2. Okay, this one. All right, any questions that y'all want, interested in my skincare products or makeup, right, you can DM me for more information. Okay, I like to use this highlighter first for my cheekbone. Sophie, welcome. Okay, then after that, right, I'm gonna use my cushion today. All right, so this one is the medicube cushion. Hi Carl, you're working from home, is it? Okay, so we're gonna use this one cushion. Just do patting motion. Hi. Okay, when you use this one cushion, right, just do patting motion. Today I'm going to the beach, right, so just light layer will do. You work night shift. 你是做 casino 的哈？Okay, so when I go to the beach, right, I don't want to put too much makeup. I just put lightly will do. Okay. Alright, I need my mirror. Okay, need to make sure I blend properly. So if you want that natural glow, right, guys, you all can get the peach powder, the one that I always promote on my video. This one. This is my favorite powder right now. This one. This is from Florasis. Okay. So if you all like Florasis product, right, you will love this one. You work from home? Yeah, I work from home. But sometimes I go customer house to teach makeup lah. Depend. Okay, everything just pat through. When you use the Florasis makeup, right, powder, just do patting motion. Okay, if your makeup, right, the foundation is yellowish color, right, you'll get this color will do to counteract your yellowish makeup. Okay guys, if your foundation color is too yellow, right, sometimes, you know, let's say you look very sallow, look very grayish, right, you may not like your foundation color. You get this one to counteract your color. Okay, all right. So this is very good for all skin color, guys. You will love it. Okay. Then after that, I will use my Uni makeup spray. So normally if I go to the beach, right, I don't put too much makeup. I just put very light layer. Not even like having concealer or anything. That's why I say if you have good skin, right, if you all want good skin, I can teach you how to have good skin. Okay, guys. Then you all don't need to put so much things on your face. Alright, I don't like to put too much things on my face, guys. Thanks, Carl, for sharing. Hi, Bunda. Okay. So next, right, I'm gonna put my probably I just skip my eyeliner. Sometimes I'm very lazy to apply anything, but I'm gonna use the Florasis, this one. Okay, it's so good, guys. You should get this Florasis eyeshadow. It's so natural looking. Sometimes you can even use this one, right, and then you can skip eyeliner if you want to. It actually helps to open up the eye. Okay, this one is in my video. Okay, you have to open up your eye area, make you look wide awake. Okay, and then you can even apply at the bottom here, this part. So you have to open up your eye area. Right, and then you don't even need to use your eyeliner. Okay, so if you find that your eye makes you look very tired, right, get this one. This one is on my video. You can look at my video on this one to brighten up the under eye area. Okay, guys? All right. So when I do beach makeup, right, I don't really like to put a lot of things on my face. Okay, not even drawing eyeliners. All right, so I'm very lazy to draw eyeliner, but I'm going to draw my mascara today. All right, so when I go to the beach, right, I don't want to wear eyeliner. I just wear my mascara. I love this mascara from Lanfo. Okay, you guys must get this one. This mascara is so good. You see, it helps to curl the lashes by itself. You don't even need to curl your lashes. Okay, so if you all have long lashes, but then your lashes are straight and stubborn, get this one. See? It curls by itself, guys. I love it. So you don't even need to curl your lashes anymore. I'm so lazy to curl my lashes. And then don't do zigzag motion, guys. Just do like that. Hi, Michelle. Welcome, welcome. Hey, guys. Hey, guys. Sometimes I'll be at Shopee as well. So you all can follow my live stream at Shopee, okay? See, guys, I told you this is so good, right? This Lanfo mascara, you don't even need to curl your lashes. You see, it curls by itself. So if you have stubborn lashes, right, you will love this one. You see, it curls by itself. Alright, so if you're looking for a good mascara, guys, and this waterproof, guys, waterproof. So it curls by itself. You don't even need to curl your lashes anymore, and it thickens your lower lashes. Okay, y'all can book me for a makeup class. I teach you how to do makeup. Okay, my link is there on my main profile. Okay, I teach you all how to do Korean Chinese makeup or Douyin makeup also can, okay? So you see, it actually feathers your lashes by itself, guys. This is the Lanfo one. Okay, y'all can get it from my shop, okay? If y'all want it, I can put it on my shop, okay? I didn't put it today. Any questions that y'all have, feel free to ask me. Rainy, I can be me, okay? Alright, so basically this is done. Okay, this mascara is so good, guys. If you're looking for some mascara that helps to curl your lashes by itself, you should get this one. Alright, it's in my shop, TikTok shop. Okay? If you want me to put it up, I'll put it up on this shop right now. Alright, ANGLK, hello. Y'all can say hi to me, don't be shy, okay? Alright, so normally for makeup, right, I just do like this. And I just very lightly, yeah, maybe I forgot to put my blusher. Okay, so very light blusher. And oh yeah, I forgot to put my highlighting. So this is what I do at the... Oh, where is my highlighter? Okay, when I do highlighter, right, when I go to the beach, right, it'll be the gold highlighter. Da-da-da-da. Okay, so you guys must get this mascara that I just tried, guys. It's so good. It helps to curl your lashes by itself. I will do a video soon and then you all can order this mascara, guys. So good. See, it helps to curl by itself. I don't even need to curl the lashes. How many of you are so lazy to curl lashes? Like me, as I age, right? I'm so lazy to curl my lashes. Okay, and then I'm going to use my cream blusher. A little bit goes a long way. So it makes the makeup much more long lasting. Hi Sin, welcome. So when you all do your makeup, right, just do like this. We'll do it close to your cheek, above the nose line area. Like this, we'll do simple and easy, okay? So everything is like cream base is easier, and then you can put too much. You can even use this as a lipstick. So this is my simple look for my beach. Okay, you can even put lip balm. Okay, I prefer to use lip balm when I'm in the beach. Like this kind of pink. Simple and easy. Okay, this is in my Shopee link, guys. Y'all can follow me on my Shopee. Okay, and when I do the link tonight, when I do the Shopee live stream tonight, right, y'all can follow me, and then you must get this one. This one, right, helps to lighten your lip color, this lip balm, okay? This lip balm helps to lighten your lip color, and then you can use it at night. It helps to moisturize your lips as well. So if you have a lot of wrinkles on your lips, right, or your color become very dark, right, for your lips, you can get this on my Shopee, okay, guys? I'm gonna, the Shopee live stream, right, my nickname is Style and Beauty Experts. Okay, if not, then you find me on Julia Chantel, okay? See whether you can find my live stream there as well. Okay, so I'm done with my beach kind of makeup. So this is my beach makeup. Alright, beach makeup. Sound like a beach makeup. Okay, any questions that you all have, feel free to ask me, guys. So I'm gonna just spray my final makeup so I can go to the beach already. Okay, this is very good. This is by Uni. It actually helps to make your makeup much more long lasting. Okay, also on my channel, guys, on my channel. Okay, guys, y'all follow my Shopee, okay, live stream. I'm gonna try and put one of the link there so that y'all can follow my live stream. Alright, so I'll see y'all soon tonight. Probably 9 o'clock I'll start my live stream. Okay, bye.